Obviously, the first question would be, what is climate change? Okay, the climate change is something where there's a changes in temperatures, weather, everything which has sort of led because of human beings, obviously. So changes in temperature, weather conditions, everything which is not normal and way more than normal is a climate change. Okay, there are four types of climate change. Let's discuss what are those four types. Those four types are tropical, dry temperature, continental, and polar. What is tropical? Right? What is tropical? Tropical, in the hot and humid zone, the average temperatures are greater than 64 F, which is 18 degrees Celsius, year round, and there is more than 59 inches of precipitation each year. That's tropical. And what is dry? These climate zones are so dry because moisture is rapidly evaporated from the air. There is a very little precipitation. And what is continental? These regions have warm to cool summers and these cold winters. In the cold winter, this zone can be experience snowstorms, strong winds, or a very cold temperature, sometimes falling below minus 20 degree F, which is minus 30 degrees Celsius. And what is polar temperature? In polar climate zone, it is extremely cold. Even in summer, the temperatures here never go higher than 50 degree F, which is 10 degrees Celsius. So here are the types of climate change. Okay, the main question is, how does a climate change occur? So when we burn fossil fuels and when we turn a land into agricultural land or factories, we put on factories over there, or we develop industries or buildings, societies. So basically we are cutting all the trees, we are vanishing all the forests, which may lead to climate change. For example, if there's a forest, okay, if there's a forest, it gives us oxygen, right? Because there are more number of trees, so more number of oxygen. And for example, if we cut them down, it's gonna be very tough for us. So we don't have to cut forests in order to develop everything, because forests and trees are the only thing which can save us. And because of forests, we also get the rain. So when forests are decreasing, the precipitation of each year will also decrease, which is a problem. And in the whole world, if you have heard about Amazon forest is something where it's a very huge forest and you get 20% of oxygen in the whole world. Imagine if that forests get vanished, what is going to be? You can comment down your type of a thing where what would happen if all the forests and everything vanishes from the planet Earth. But we shouldn't be doing that. We should be saving our planet Earth. But the main question is, what will exactly happen if climate change continues day by day? So if climate change continues, it's going to be very worse. I'll tell you how it's going to be worse. When you cut down all the forests, when you develop industrial lands, when you develop all the countries without even thinking about the planet Earth and just being selfish, it will lead to increase in pollution, which will be obtained from fossil fuels, industries, and so many more. And temperatures are going to raise. And obviously, if you know that ozone layer is a protective covering of the planet Earth, and if that it dissolves completely, it's already dissolving, it's already disappearing because of people out there where they are constructing and doing endlessly everything without a stop, is going to harm planet Earth, and it's going to be way worse in the future. So if this continues, temperatures are going to raise, earthquakes, tsunamis, all this is going to happen. People may lose their lives, and what all should or might happen in this climate change process. If you really, really care about climate change, if you really care about your earth, if you really care about every human being you talk to or yourself, if you really care about anyone, start taking an action. Stop pollution. Go for eco-friendly products, whether it's using plastic. Control it, not control it. Stop it. Stop plastic production. Stop emitting pollution from your vehicles, industries. As me, as an individual, I would do is I will start using things which is eco-friendly. I will start doing stuff which is eco-friendly. I would start wearing stuff which is eco-friendly. I would stop all of this. And please, each person, if contributes one drop of a water, it might be an ocean. So please, let's help to get our planet into that situation where it was before, where it was so beautiful. We want this again, and please do not pollute, because this is very serious. Climate change needs to be controlled. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my video.